Installing this was no problem at all. Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to be going over this Cozeware mini split HVAC unit. There's a lot of things that I found out after installing this unit out here in my office that I really like about it. I want to share those things with you as well because I believe you're going to like them too. Well, let's get into the video. So the Cozeware company is dedicated to building smart, energy-efficient air conditioning systems that deliver clean air and quiet operation, reliable cooling, and all their products are designed for easy installation and simple everyday use. Some of the benefits of this 12,000 BTU unit is that it has strong cooling and heating of the system. Its energy performance is an 18 SEER. It has quiet operation. It's smart and convenient. The controls that you use on it. It's DIY friendly. It's reliable, and it's backed by a 5-year warranty and a 7-year warranty on the compressor. This window unit is reading like 70 decibels. It's blowing like 8 feet, right about 8 feet per second. 7.5 fan speed coming out of this. You see it's got 13 feet per second. My window unit, what was it getting, like 7? Check the decibels on this. 53 decibels. Alright, it's been like 10 minutes. 56 coming out of it. Now I need to go over and check out the heat and let the heat run. I need to change it to, oh man, I feel it already. Said go to the highest setting, and that's 88. So the cold was set on 61 and it got down to 57 coming out of it. Now I need to let this thing run for 8 minutes. That's pretty cool right here, all the stuff that's on this app that you can control your air conditioner from. Hey, it's getting bad in here, hot. This thing's working, so I'm gonna turn the air back on. Yeah, it's working fine. I'm going back to the AC. Go back to the AC. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna change the mode to cold, and it's on 61. We're going to leave it right there. This Cozeware app is awesome. The remote control, I'll show you it, but this Cozeware is awesome. So you can turn it on and off from the app. That's not what I'm going to get at. You've got mode settings. You got auto, cool, dry, fan, and heat. We want to go over here to, you got your fan speed. You can control all of it. I've got mine set on auto. You got precision airflow. You can have it to where it does all different things. This is up and down. This is right and left. That's the way your louver's up here. Up and down and right and left. You've got eco mode, which is what it was on. This is like an AI feature to whatever you have it set on, it's going to do the best that it wants to do with your compressor to save you money. Here's where it gets good. Look at this. The generator mode. You got LV1, 2, and 3 down here at the bottom. 40%, 60%, 80%. This is so that you can run this on a generator if you got a power outage. This is so that you can run this on a solar grid system so that it's not draining your batteries. It'll work more efficient for those things. I like that setup. Health mode is like an air purifier in this system. It takes the particles in the air with the ions and it bonds them together. You have to clean your filters more often, but it's an air purifying system. And then the drying mode. The drying mode is whenever this thing shuts off, it stays running long enough to dry everything out in the system so that you don't end up with any mildew smell or anything like that from water sitting in your system. Reservation, when you go to it, you can set like times you want it to heat and cool and everything. Let me show you the remote control. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the screen right here. We're just going to fool with these buttons down here. I want to show you some great things about it. So this is your power. This is your mode. You know, you can go through your modes up here with the little pictures. Just show you that in the book. Turbo mode. That's if you want to heat it or cool it like super fast. AI economy mode. This will take whatever setting you have it on, it will control the compressor outside to be more efficient. You got your fans, you got the way that the louvers are going right here. I feel is great because let's say I can set this remote down 20 feet away. Whatever this remote is reading, that's what my mini split is going to try to provide the air to reach. If I have it set on 68 degrees, I feel, and this is sitting 20 feet away, this unit is going to keep running until this thing feels like it's 68 degrees inside. Clean mode is a feature out there with the compressor where every 3 months you'll want to turn your unit off, push the clean mode. It will actually freeze up out there and then thaw out, and that will let all the particles that's built up on it fall, and then it goes through that cycle again and everything will freeze up, it'll thaw out, and all those particles on your compressor unit out condenser unit outside to keep it clean. So that's a great feature right there. I've had this going for like a week. Man, I really like this Cozeware unit. This thing is amazing. Installing this was no problem at all.